The way people search for information has changed drastically. We've moved from typing on keyboards to speaking directly to our devices. Voice search, powered by artificial intelligence, is now mainstream. This shift toward voice search is revolutionizing digital marketing. Voice search offers unparalleled convenience. Users can get instant answers, make calls, and control their smart homes, all with their voice. This hands-free ease of use has led to a surge in voice search adoption. For businesses, this means adapting to this new reality is no longer optional, it's essential. Ignoring this shift means missing out on valuable leads and potential customers. Embracing voice search optimization, or VSO, is crucial for businesses to stay ahead of the curve and thrive in the evolving digital landscape. Voice search optimization, or VSO, is the art of making your website and content easily discoverable through voice search. It focuses on optimizing for natural language queries, which differ significantly from traditional text-based searches. When users employ voice search, they tend to use longer, more conversational phrases. They ask questions as they would in a natural conversation. For instance, instead of typing "best pizza places near me," a voice search would likely be, "Hey Siri, what are the best pizza places nearby?" VSO is not just a trend, it's a fundamental shift in how people interact with search engines. This shift necessitates a change in how businesses approach their SEO strategies. Traditional keyword-based approaches are no longer sufficient. VSO requires a deeper understanding of user intent, conversational language, and the context behind voice searches. By adapting to these nuances, businesses can position themselves effectively in the voice search landscape. Understanding user intent is paramount in VSO. When someone uses voice search, they're often looking for specific information or want to complete an action. This intent is often embedded in the way they phrase their questions. For example, a voice search for "how to bake a chocolate cake" indicates the user is looking for instructions. A search like "order a pepperoni pizza from Domino's" expresses a clear intent to make a purchase. VSO leverages natural language processing, or NLP, to decipher these intentions. By analyzing the structure and context of voice queries, search engines can deliver highly relevant results. This focus on natural language makes content that reads well aloud, like blog posts and articles, highly valuable for VSO. Businesses need to create content that directly answers common questions related to their products or services. This content should be conversational, informative, and engaging, keeping in mind the way people speak in everyday conversations. To excel in the voice search landscape, businesses need to implement robust VSO strategies. Here's how. First, optimize for local search. Voice searches often have local intent, like "find a coffee shop near me." Ensure your Google My Business listing is up to date and optimize your website for local keywords. Next, focus on long-tail keywords. Voice searches use natural language, often in the form of long-tail keywords. Incorporate these conversational phrases into your content. Additionally, create FAQ pages. Anticipate common questions your target audience might ask, and create dedicated FAQ pages with clear, concise answers. Don't forget to use structured data. Structured data helps search engines understand the context of your content. Implement schema markup to provide explicit clues about your content. Lastly, optimize for speed and mobile. Voice searches demand instant results. Ensure your website loads quickly and is mobile-friendly for a seamless user experience. By following these best practices, businesses can enhance their visibility in voice search results and reach a wider audience actively using voice search. This proactive approach is essential for staying ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving digital landscape. The future of VSO is intricately linked with advancements in artificial intelligence, or AI, and its impact on local search. As AI continues to evolve, voice search will become even more intuitive and personalized. AI-powered virtual assistants will be able to understand user preferences and deliver highly targeted results based on past interactions and search history. This level of personalization will be crucial for businesses to deliver tailored experiences to their target audience. Local search will play an even more prominent role in VSO. As voice search is often used on the go, users expect immediate answers to their local queries. Businesses need to prioritize local SEO by optimizing their online presence for local keywords and ensuring their business information is consistent across all platforms. Staying ahead of the curve in VSO requires continuous learning and adaptation. Embrace the power of AI, focus on local SEO, and prioritize user experience to thrive in the voice-activated future of search. Businesses that embrace these trends will be well-positioned to capitalize on the opportunities presented by the evolving landscape of VSO.